Looking for an NBN internet plan that keeps up with your life? In this video, we'll show the NBN plans available and how to choose the right one for your home or business. Is your internet plan not keeping up with you? Are you experiencing internet slowdown with video buffering, slow and laggy gaming, glitchy video calls, and taking ages to download like anything? Today, with everything getting connected, it's a common sign that your plan and Wi-Fi setup probably needs an upgrade. Welcome to First Internet and Wi-Fi's world of NBN internet plans, where you can choose plans with download speeds ranging from 25 megabytes per second all the way up to a lightning fast 2000 megabytes per second that are ideal for everyone from single users and families to businesses. And the best part? All our plans come with truly unlimited data, no data caps to worry about. Stream, scroll, game, and download to your heart's content. Where else can you still get that these days? Now, the type of NBN technology at your address determines what speeds you can access, so it's important to check what's available via our website to see what is available at your location. This simple table shows the limitations of each NBN technology and the speed ranges typically available with each one. As you can see, there are speed limitations with fibre to the node and fibre to the curb, which is one of the reasons why NBN is upgrading this technology to fibre to the premises in many areas across the country. Fibre to the premises offers download speeds up to 2000 megabits per second, so whatever your needs, we have a plan for you. To qualify for a free NBN fibre upgrade from older copper-based services like fibre to the node and fibre to the curb, you'll need to sign up for a plan of 100 megabits per second or higher. When you're on First Internet and Wi-Fi's website, you'll see a rate plan that best suits your usage and budget. And if you choose a plan that's not quite right, no worries, as we can always change your plan later. Ready to get connected with an amazing internet plan? Great! Follow the steps across our website from 1. Check your address, 2. Choose a monthly plan, and 3. Select a Wi-Fi modem router. And let's get you connected the right way.